Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Beach Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any family planning a trip to the beach, park, or even just a backyard adventure, offering a convenient way to transport all your gear, from towels and toys to snacks and coolers, ensuring that your outing is as stress-free and enjoyable as possible, making it a must-have for parents looking to simplify their outdoor excursions and maximize their fun without the hassle of multiple trips back and forth. Number 5. Portal Folding Wagon Black. Navigate any surface with ease. Its large, all-terrain wheels are designed to conquer sand, pavement, and more, making transport effortless. Enjoy smooth movement thanks to the 360-degree rotating front wheels. Pushing and pulling this cart is incredibly simple and convenient. The handle extends from 26 to 32.5 inches and can be adjusted for your comfort. It's a true life helper for laundry, groceries, and trips to the park or beach. Made from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a mesh bottom, it's easy to clean with water. Plus, 2 cup holders keep your drinks within reach. Built with a sturdy steel frame, it can handle heavy loads up to 450 pounds static and 225 pounds dynamic capacity. Carry everything you need for your outdoor adventures. Set up and fold this wagon in just a second by pushing the bottom. Its compact folded size makes storage and transport a breeze. What we like? This wagon features large, all-terrain wheels perfect for sand and uneven surfaces. Its adjustable telescoping handle makes it comfortable to maneuver for most adults. If you frequently visit the beach or have a lot of gear to haul, its generous capacity and easy-to-clean design make it a practical choice. What people say? This wagon is great for hauling all the kids' beach toys and gear. The large wheels make it easy to pull through sand and over uneven terrain. It folds up compactly for storage and transport. Number 4. Happbuy Collapsible Wagon with Removable Canopy. This wagon offers a large interior space, perfect for holding all your essentials. Make your gardening or outdoor trips more relaxing with its ample capacity. Built with a premium steel frame and durable Oxford fabric, it's designed to carry whatever you need. The detachable awning provides protection from the elements, giving you peace of mind. No assembly is required. It folds down compactly in simple steps, making it easy to store in your car trunk. Say goodbye to backaches from carrying heavy loads. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to its 360 degrees universal wheels and flexible, locking handle. You can confidently control it without worrying about losing grip. This is a must-have for your garden, camping trips, and more. It even includes a seatbelt and extra storage bags to keep your belongings secure and organized. It's the perfect companion for effortless family outings. What we like? With its included removable canopy, this wagon offers protection from the sun and light rain. The spacious interior is great for carrying all your family's essentials for a day out. If you're looking for a versatile wagon that can adapt to different weather conditions and holds a lot, this is a fantastic option for picnics and camping. What people say? This wagon is great for hauling all of our beach gear. It has a large capacity and is easy to maneuver on the sand. The wagon folds up compactly for storage and transport. It's also very sturdy and well-made. My kids love riding in this wagon. It's perfect for trips to the beach or park. Number 3. Double-decker wagon 600 pounds capacity sports wagon. This wagon cart offers an incredible 600 pounds total load capacity, with each deck supporting up to 300 pounds. It makes hauling heavy gear or household items incredibly easy. With a generous 400L capacity, it can accommodate a wide range of items. It's perfect for everything from shopping trips to camping excursions. Unfolded to a length of 54 inches, it's perfect for transporting longer, oversized items that won't fit in a standard wagon. You can carry almost anything. Featuring large 7-inch wheels designed for all-terrain use, it rolls smoothly on grass, gravel, and more. No matter where your adventure leads, you can rely on these wheels. No assembly required. It's ready to use in seconds with a quick and simple setup. Plus, it folds compactly for easy storage in your trunk, garage, or closet. We stand by our products with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and 60-day free returns. If you have any questions, our team is always here to help. What we like? This wagon stands out with its impressive double-decker design, allowing for a massive 600 pounds load capacity. It also offers an extended length, perfect for hauling oversized items. If you need to transport heavy equipment for fishing, camping, or large family gatherings, this heavy-duty option is built to handle it all. What people say. This wagon is perfect for carrying all of my kids' beach toys and snacks. It's easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for transport and storage. The large wheels handle sand and rough terrain with ease, providing a smooth ride. Number 2. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon. Discover ultimate flexibility with 3 unique modes: ride with a friend, convert to a comfortable bench, or use it for hauling. It's perfect for all your family outings, accommodating up to 2 riders with safety belts and high seats. Keep your little ones comfortable and shaded with thick padded seats and a UV canopy. This wagon is designed for sunny beach days but is also your go-to for park visits and neighborhood strolls. Enjoy a smooth and reliable journey thanks to its extra-wide tires that effortlessly glide over sand, grass, and trails. The durable fabric is easy to clean, making every adventure worry-free. Packing up is a breeze with its one-hand flat fold design, perfect for compact storage. It also features convenient storage for essentials and an adjustable handle that stays put when not in use. For over 100 years, we've been dedicated to inspiring imaginative play with our timeless products. We are committed to creating lasting quality while caring for the planet and future generations. What we like. This wagon offers incredible 3-in-1 versatility, transforming from a 2-seater to a bench or a hauling wagon. The integrated UV shade is a lifesaver for keeping kids protected from the sun. If you prioritize flexibility and ease of use for family outings with young children, its quick fold and comfortable seating make it ideal for beach days and park trips. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It has a large capacity and can hold a lot of gear, making it perfect for beach trips. The sturdy wheels handle sand and rough terrain with ease, providing a smooth ride. Number 1. BusyBee Foldable Stroller Wagon for 2 kids. When it comes to your child's safety and comfort, this wagon has got your back. With its robust steel frame and premium fabric, it can effortlessly carry 2 kids, ensuring a rock-solid and secure ride for your adventurous little ones. Buckle up and enjoy worry-free excursions with your child. Equipped with a reliable 5-point safety belt and a rear foot brake, it ensures your little explorer remains snug and secure during every thrilling ride. Say goodbye to complicated folding and unfolding processes. This foldable wagon boasts a user-friendly design that allows you to collapse or expand it in a matter of seconds, no tools required. This versatile wagon is not just for your child's joyrides. Its clever design allows it to handle oversized cargo effortlessly, making it the ideal companion for family picnics or shopping sprees. Bid farewell to bulky strollers. This ingeniously designed wagon can be folded into a compact size, effortlessly fitting into your closet or the trunk of your car. Its anti-shock system and smooth rolling wheels provide a cushy and enjoyable journey, even on rough terrain. Your little ones will experience a comfortable ride every time. What we like. Designed specifically for families with 2 children, this stroller wagon prioritizes safety with dual 5-point harnesses and shock-absorbing wheels. It offers a smooth and secure ride for little ones, even on bumpy terrain. If you're a parent looking for a safe and comfortable way to transport 2 kids on adventures, this wagon provides the support and convenience you need. What people say. This wagon is perfect for hauling all of our beach essentials, including chairs, umbrella, cooler, and toys. It's sturdy and well-made, and the large wheels make it easy to maneuver on sand. The wagon folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. It's also lightweight, making it easy to carry even when fully loaded. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.